WHO. It's for those with a dry, flaky, itchy scalp. For men and women. For all hair types. What it is: a scalp treatment mask that nourishes and soothes an itchy, irritated, flaky scalp. What it does: increases scalp hydration and restores vital moisture post-exfoliation. Highlighted ingredients: Binchotan Charcoal detoxifies and aloe vera and hyaluronic acid hydrates. Safe for color-treated, keratin-treated, chemically treated, and relaxed hair. Binchotan Charcoal detoxifies the scalp and draws out impurities that clog the hair follicle or that cause buildup on the scalp. Peppermint, spearmint, and tea tree oil complex provides a cooling effect to the scalp and reduces itchiness, irritation, and flakiness. Hydration complex. Hyaluronic acid and aloe vera balance hydration to prevent future dryness and flakiness. Top reviews from the United States. Feels so good on my scalp. I love the way this feels on my scalp.